Come on, Toyota.
Oh, crap.
Big boy action.
You're out there building freaking hit 'em on.
Is that what those are?
What? This is how big business is.
That's actually one from Stevie. He just changed that into a drop head right here.
Really?
Yeah.
It's big, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sure looks small on that big ass chassis.
That one?
Yeah, right
There it
there.
is. see if that's straight.
Well, now you can see.
Oh, your
and
front
you can get
bumper's
adjusted where you-
sliding
Yeah,
out.
it's not well. I got my welder back from Wayne last night. I hung out with Wayne for a while.
Oh, cool. How's he doing?
Good.
That's why you too. He's like, how's Mike? I'm doing the same Mike thing. Yeah. So it's tonight or tomorrow I'm gonna welder.
Oh, I just did the same thing, man.
Bombed on the nose.
Yeah.
It's still the only bands that use
Whoa, just popped the body off.
Hispanic music. You know, like nobody really uses that, and like the whole trumpet.
Held it there precisely. Got a hold of micrometer. 4.7. Alright. 4.3. Alright. Then I had a file connect to my bench. Then I'd stick it to the file. Connect to the bench. 4.2. 4.1.
Good way to eliminate your belly drag
Then
there.
I clamped it in a pair of vice grips and did some oil in the cabin.
Keep on wiggle. Yeah, there's not too many capper axles out there right now.
That thing's on cappers?
Yeah.
Whoa, nifty. I got a capper in the rear.
Expensive. Well, the rear that might be still around. The front you can't buy until they get the new ones out.
Oh, you're kidding me.
What?